What's up, beautiful people? Another day, another study. I saw this study circling around and people using it for the support of taking magnesium. And so I had to take a look at the study and see what they found. I take magnesium. I do believe that many people, especially here in America, could benefit from magnesium supplementation if they're not getting enough in their diet. But what this study looked at was they had a bunch of volunteers come in and they drew blood and they cultured a type of white blood cell called lymphocytes and applied a DNA damage assay to them. And they were looking at magnesium levels and homocysteine levels. And they basically found very weak correlations between magnesium levels and lower DNA damage on this assay, and then elevated homocysteine and more DNA damage on this assay. The correlation coefficients I put down below, but anything less than 0.5 is pretty weak. It also was an in vivo study, so putting the cells in a petri dish. It was not an outcome study. This was a mechanistic study. Really cool and interesting from a biochemistry perspective, but nothing to write home about as far as looking at outcomes and whether or not you individually should be taking magnesium. There are other things that are in play when making that decision.